This is the practical demonstration of session hijacking using Wireshark. So we can download Wireshark from wireshark.org, and if you just head to the download section, you can download the 32-bit installer or the 64-bit installer, or you can, if you prefer, you can just install the portable app. And if you do want to install the portable app, you have to download and install WinPCAP also. So you can go to winpcap.org and install it. So you just go download, and you can just download the installer for Windows. Okay. Now I have Wireshark portable over here, so I'll start it. I already have installed WinPCAP. So this is the interface of Wireshark, and you have to select one of the network interfaces. So because I'm going to be using my VirtualBox for this demonstration, I will choose to capture only my VirtualBox. So I will select my VirtualBox host only network over here, and let's just start. Okay, right now this is starting to capture my XP machine that is running over here. Okay, so I have my BTS lab running, and it's running in my Windows, and I'm going to open it in my Windows XP. And let's just see what is showing over here. You can see that the data is being showed here. It's loading BTS lab index.php, and all the traffic that is going through is intercepted by Wireshark. So let us simply log in and intercept the login using Wireshark. So we'll go to login, and we'll log into our user, and I'll hit login. Okay, so I'll just browse around a little bit so that's also captured. Okay, so you can see here we have generated some traffic over here, and if you want to, you can use the filter options within Wireshark, or you can use an external tool to face all this content. So I'm going to use an external tool, and so I have to export this. So I'm going to stop the capture, and I'll go to file, save as, and I'll save it as a pcap file. So I'll just save it as capture, and now let's head to our tool. So we're going to use this tool called Network Miner, and we'll just run it. And I'll go to file, open, and I'll open my pcap file. Okay, so what does this tool do? This tool phases all the data in the pcap file and gives it to you in a readable and easy format. So you can see here the different IPs that the machine connected to, and you can see the files that were loaded, frames, credentials which were going through, and sessions. So you can see here the parameters, all the data that's been going through, and let's look at the two most important things, credentials and sessions. So you can see here that you can see the sessions being shared over here, and if you head to credentials, there are two credentials which have been going through, and you can see that my initial user, the username that's been sent, and my password that I sent is saved here, and also my PHP session ID. So I can use either one of these to hijack the account. Using the username and password is pretty much straightforward. I just input the username and password that has been saved here, and if I want to use a PHP session ID, then I just copy the username, and I'll just open my Chrome, I'll go to my BTS Labs. You can see that the user is not logged in yet, and you can see this is the PHP session ID. So I'm going to copy the session ID, and I'm going to replace the session ID over here with the hijacked session ID. So I'll paste it. I'll open my edit my cookie tool. I'll paste the new session ID and I'll click on the tick button, and it's been changed. So if I refresh the page, you can see right now I've logged into the user. So this is session hijacking using Wireshark. Thank you.